got these people panickin. Yeah, you know I'm up on them. Yeah, you know I'm up on them. I heard them people scheming, rather see me dead. Talk from someone fiendin, I ain't mean a threat. Off season, I be training like I ain't ahead. Don't even stress, cause it don't take much just to make them seem impressed. 12 after me, did the dash from Elise A. I'm finna be just with my stash in a briefcase. Just like I'm scenes, yeah, they flash, it's a cliche. I'm playing them on replay. Bring it back. On the rest, I gotta make it stack again. Nah, I know I can. I ain't a man that got these people panicking. Yeah, you know I'm up on them. Yeah, you know I'm up on them. Right down the block, get jiggy, you know we up again. Don't even touch it, sleep with me, you know they struggling. Yeah, they gon' flop, now they dizzy, cause I ain't fumbling. It's bands, you like 50, you know we hustling. Mad people depending, my only real one's Vinny. I know they hating, we playin' up in the feeling. And I see trash always be trending, and I ain't even pay a fee. Like a free contested, but man, I hit that shit for 3. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let's go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Make it stack again. Nah, I know I can. I ain't a man that got these people panicking. Yeah, you know I'm up on them. Yeah, you know I'm up on them.
Hey, play that shit one more time.